everyone! Today we're going on another amazing alphabet adventure to explore more of the special sounds that make up all the words we read and say. Get ready to meet some new sound friends. First, we'll learn each new letter sound, and then we'll play a super fun game to find the letters using only their sound. Let's get started. Look at this letter. This is the letter B. B is a consonant. Can you make the sound it makes? It goes like this. B, b, b. This letter B is for ball. Can you pretend to bounce a big round ball? Bounce, bounce. Here is the letter L. L is a consonant. The sound it makes is a gentle flowing sound. Oh, oh, oh. The letter L is for lion. Let's give a mighty roar like a lion. Roar. This is the letter R. R is a consonant. R makes the sound er, er, er. The letter R is for robot. Can you move like a super stiff robot? Next is the letter U. The letter U is a vowel. It makes the short sound uh, uh, uh. The letter U is for up. Stretch your arms way, way up to the sky. This is the letter W. W is a consonant. The sound it makes is a smooth, windy sound. W, w, w. The letter W is for water. Can you pretend to swim through the water? Splish, splash, splish, splash. Here is the letter J. J is a consonant. The letter J makes a bouncy, vibrating sound. J, j, j. The letter J is for jump. Let's all jump 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the letter Y. Y is a consonant. Y makes the sound y, y, y. The letter Y is for yo-yo. Pretend you have a yo-yo and make it go up and down, saying the sound y, y, each time. Next is the letter X. X is a consonant. This is a special sound. It often sounds like 2 letters mixed together. X, x, x. The letter X is often found at the end of words like fox. Can you put your hands up and make the little X shape? Finally, here's the letter K. K is a consonant. The letter K makes a sharp, quiet sound. K, k, k. The letter K is for kick. Let's pretend to kick a soccer ball. Kick. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly remember our letters and their sounds. B says B. L says ol. R says U says W says w. J says j. Y says y. X says x. K says k. Now it's time to be a sound detective. Listen for the sounds and then try to point to the correct letter on the screen before I show you. Can you find the That's right. It's the letter R. Can you find the B? That's right. It's the letter B. Can you find the That's right. It's the letter U. Can you find the O? That's right. It's the letter L. Can you find the J? That's right. It's the letter J. Can you find the W? That's right. It's the letter W. Can you find the Y. That's right. It's the letter Y. Can you find the K? That's right. It's the letter K. Can you find the X? That's right. It's the letter X. Wow! You did such an amazing job today, sound detectives. You learned the sound for B, O, W, J, Y, X, and K. That's 9 new letter sounds. You're becoming an alphabet superstar. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our next adventure. Bye, friends!